And I'm not putting shade on you, but like there's a lot of people that think they could jump in this game and just find drivers and then be millionaires overnight, and that's
Mhm.
not real. The Instagram guys, the influencers that tell you that bullshit is all fake. You know, it's like it's
Yeah,
not that easy, right?
yeah, most definitely. Because I I had the same idea as well. I thought I was gonna be a millionaire like this.
What's going on with the truckers? So, first off, I just want to bust out, all the Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, anyone that's trying to sell anyone a dream. I see all these courses out there and all these phone call conferences and charging people. Dude, just go on fmcsa.gov, go on Google, call some people, go to the truck stop, talk to some old school drivers. Dude, I'm telling you, it is free. That part is the easy part. The hard part is putting in the hard work and efforts. But what you're doing is you're getting people think that it's so easy. They have a couple grand, they could put down a down payment, and now they have two or three trucks. They can find drivers, and the next thing you know, they're a millionaire. You know, that is not how the world works. You have to fully immerse yourself into a business if you want to be successful at any industry. With that said, today we have Jonathan here, and I just want you guys to know that he's trying his best. Yes, he's an investor. He's paying $2,500 a week salary, and he's still not finding drivers. What advice would you have for anyone that's trying to just build up their company?
Let's try and figure out what it takes to get drivers, because you're trying to give top pay and
Yeah,
everything, and still hard. So what we'll try to do with this is, well, maybe the comments down below, other fleet drivers, owners, maybe they could figure out what's going on with that, right? So, we'll start the show, and I won't put it on yet, and I'll put it up sooner than later. But what's going on with the truckers? Welcome to the HMI show. So I got a special guest here. My man reached out to me. I didn't want him to drive like 3-4 hours to see me, so try to make it easy for you. But you're willing to drive, right?
yeah, most definitely.
So what's going on with you, brother? Introduce yourself.
Yeah, hey, my name is Jonathan, and I'm with Jesco International Logistic LLC. I'm the owner, and I have a few trucks, and I'm currently looking for drivers, like you know.
What strategies have you tried so far in finding to
Uh,
find drivers?
when it comes to finding drivers, I've been trying to get in contact with other drivers, like driving to truck stops, giving them my card and stuff, offering them like basically telling them what I have to offer when it comes to my company and stuff like that, and how all work. And that's one of my strategies and stuff. But other than that, it's other websites I pay for trying to get in contact with drivers. Most of those drivers is like they'll tell you, "Oh yeah, I want to work with you." After a while, they don't pick up, and basically they're not serious. If they were serious, some drivers tell me, "Oh, they have offers for like 3,000, but they didn't accept them yet." So if somebody offering you $3,000 a week to work for them, why are you not accepting that offer? That's a good pay right there.
So what are
That's
you offering? You know,
me personally. I'm offering between 2,000 to 2,500 a week and stuff like that. And they still, because the thing with me, all my trucks is brand new. I have 2022 Kingsworth and stuff like that, and automatic. And some driver they'll be like, "Oh yeah, I want to come on board," but next day you call them, it's either they don't pick up, or they'll tell you, "Oh, you know what? I have a problem with my CDL. I just got a ticket," but they didn't tell me that the day prior. So basically, it's like a waste of time and stuff. And I
mm,
have to sit there and call a lot of drivers. I'll be wasting like the whole day calling drivers and stuff, and still nothing.
the truckers, comment down below, all y'all that own companies and have fleets. What are you doing to retain drivers or to grab drivers' attention, so that my guy here could definitely make sure he's doing the right thing? So,
Because I don't have my CDL. You get what I'm
mm,
trying to say? So I'm just investing in the company, and I'm just finding drivers, putting them in the truck, getting them on the road to make money and stuff like that. So it's pretty hard. Hopefully,
no,
one of the viewers will tell me how to get some drivers or anything.
the reason why I let you on here is because, to be honest, there's a lot of people that are struggling to find drivers, and
Yeah.
so I want I want all the mother truckers out there to know the truth that, you know, and I'm not putting shade on you, but like there's a lot of people that think they could jump in this game and just find drivers and then be millionaires overnight, and that's not
Nah,
real. The Instagram guys, the influencers that tell you that bullshit is all fake. You know, it's like it's
yeah,
not that easy, right?
yeah, most definitely because I I had the same idea as well. I thought I was gonna be a millionaire like this, but when you really get into the business, it's very stressful because you have a driver working for you for like a month. Next thing you know, they take their home break and they'll take like 2, 3 weeks out. You be like, whoa, and without the driver, your business can't be running.
Why it's good that I have you on the show to let people know that are trying to get in this game and be investors that everything is work. Nothing is easy. You can't just go and buy a couple trucks and then you're going to have
Nah,
drivers and then get 30, 40, 50 drivers. And the next thing you know, you're a millionaire driving Lamborghinis. Like that's not how this business works, right?
nah, it's really not because to be honest with you, it's hard to even find one driver. Like it's hard to find one driver, and when it comes to those people saying, "Oh, they have 50, 60 drivers," like I don't know how they get 50, 60 drivers, but good luck to them. But me personally, as being in the business, it don't work like that. When it comes to the trucking business, number one, you could be on your truck could be on the road for like a few months. You had to worry about breakdowns and stuff, and that right there, that's a big check right there when your truck break down. And when it comes to maintenance and stuff like that, like you'll think like you'll make money, like whatever your truck grows, it grows a lot. But when you start seeing the deduction and all the fuel things and all that, the driver pay, then you'll start looking differently and stuff.
And we'll be good to go, man. I appreciate you. And
All
thanks for
right.
having a real honest conversation with me.
All right. Thanks for having me, mother trucker.
Hey, that's all good, man. All right.